Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Moment Fashion. So how are you friends? Today I am going to share with you most stylish, beautiful, gorgeous, latest and trendy new high heel sandal designs ideas for girls and women. So you will see in this video different style and type of sandal designs 2022 and 23. You can wear this sandal in official parties and in formal function. All design is so nice, beautiful and stylish for those moments who like latest fashion and unique style of fashion. So please guys, watch my video till the end so you don't miss any design of my more beautiful video, because all design are latest, trendy and beautiful, and I am sure you like and want to buy such type of sandals. You will find hundred of new designs, hundred of new ideas daily in my channel videos. So please everyone, subscribe my YouTube channel Moment Fashion for more fashion ideas. Guys, I hope you enjoy my video. Beautiful, outstanding, gorgeous, latest and trendy new high heel sandal designs ideas. So guys, please like my video and share my video with your friends and family. Hopefully they will also like my video and wonderful collection. So friends, if you're loving these beautiful designs, do like my video, share and press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get all the notification for all of my videos. So please guys, subscribe my YouTube channel Moment Fashion for more fashion ideas. Friends, I hope you enjoy my video. Most stylish, beautiful, gorgeous, latest and trendy party wear high heel sandal designs ideas. Do comments in comment section about my video and suggest me good advice so I can make more beautiful videos. Please support me by sharing my video, and thanks for happy visions of my previous video. Thank you so much friends for watching this video till the end. Goodbye dear friends, till the next video.